daughter Chikisha from Her Lovely Plan, and I am coming to you today with the Plan with Me in my faith-based planner from Happy Planner. It is a horizontal planner, and I will be planning for the week of April the 30th through May the 6th. I want to try to get more consistent with doing Plan with Me's in my faith planner. Reason being, I hear a lot of chatter throughout the Planner Babe community about how to make their faith planners or journaling planners decorative without compromising using a lot of space. And I feel like you can decorate them and use as many different stickers and washies that you want to use without compromising your space. So if you want to see how I decorate my faith planner for this week, stay tuned. But first, if you haven't already done so, make sure you are subscribed to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and as well so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. Make sure you hit that notification bell. So stay tuned for my Plan with Me in my faith planner. Okay, before we start working in the month of May, let's do a quick recap for the month of April so you can kind of see how you can make your planner decorative and functional. So for April, as you can see, I used a lot of floral stickers and washi, and what I did was just actually put the verse that I was focusing on each day in a reading plan that I was doing. So this is the first week of April spread. As you can see, a lot of decoration, and I still had a lot of space to write. Second week of April. Third week of April. Fourth week of April. So as you can see, you can decorate your faith-based planners or journals however you use it. I highly recommend you have a horizontal because it gives you more space and you can write a little bit smaller if necessary. So we're going to jump right into May, and I'm just going to quickly show you my monthly view for this. Still really functional. I can write out shorter scriptures if I wanted to, or just write the verses like I did previously. So let's go ahead and get started in the spread for April 30th piece. And you kind of saw where I was struggling with this piece. I knew I wanted it thinner, but once I laid it down, I was like, maybe I can just make the Monday be pickable, but I didn't like it. So I decided to take that off. So now I'm just gonna add my last piece of faith-based washi. And I know I got this from Michael's. I just can't remember the brand. I want to say it was Illustrate Faith, but don't quote me on that. But a lot of times what I do is I normally cover up the bars on my spread, but I decided I want to try to take advantage of using the color schemes that come along with these planners, because a lot of times I tend to use colors that I always use, which will be pastel pinks and blues and purples and gold and rose gold. So I said I want to start trying to basically just do my weekly spread based on the colors that are already in that spread. So I'm going to go ahead and start laying down my stickers now. finished my weekly spread in the new month of May. As you can see, it is one extra day for April. However, we're in a new month, new spread, new beginnings. So this planner setup again was primarily based around washi. What I like to do is build my spread based on the washi that I use, and as you can see, like the Christ had some of this, the Jesus Christ, my Savior, had this color background, so that's why I pulled this particular sticker. And then this sticker also had colors that were already on this page, so just to add some more to the planner spread, I added this washi, and it all tied in together. And because this one had flowers, I had to add flowers to the spread. And then I added this little corner here, just because I liked the box that was there already, but I'm extra, so I needed to add a little bit of extra pop. But as you can see, you can definitely be creative in your horizontal planners, even if you're not using it for a faith planner or a journal. Whatever you're using it for, it can be very decorative and still have a lot of white space available for you to write. And worst case scenario, add a piece of notebook paper to it if you write more notes and decorate that. But anyway, I hope you like my spread. If you do, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment below. If you have any questions about anything that I use, or just want to drop a word of encouragement to keep me inspired to continue to be creating these spreads for you each week. So you know what to do. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel, as well as click the notification bell, and as well share this video with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. Until next time, planner fam, peace.